Birds can pose serious challenges for building owners and managers, spreading disease, damaging property, and increasing maintenance costs. BirdX delivers effective, humane solutions to keep your property safe and easy to maintain, indoors and out. BirdWire is one of many ledge protection solutions we offer, along with plastic and stainless steel bird spikes, AviShock, AviAngle, and premium PE netting. BirdWire is a discreet, nearly invisible barrier that prevents birds from landing or nesting on ledges and beams without affecting the building's appearance. It's easy to install, maintenance-free, and ideal for ledges, signs, and roof edges. Bird spikes provide a simple, effective solution to prevent birds from landing where they're not welcome. Use durable plastic spikes for coastal properties or stainless steel for lasting protection in inland settings, perfect for straight or curved ledges, signage, and structural features where birds tend to perch. For challenging spots like rooftops and ledges with persistent bird activity, AviShock delivers an electric pulse that conditions birds to stay away, protecting roofs, HVAC units, and other valuable equipment. AviAngle's patented design blocks roosting by making surfaces inaccessible. Made from UV-stabilized PVC, it installs quickly with adhesive, blends into architecture, prevents structural damage, and cuts cleaning costs from droppings. Premium bird netting creates a physical barrier to prevent pest birds from entering specific areas. Netting is 100% effective while still allowing access for routine maintenance activities. It is non-conductive, UV, water, fire, and mold resistant, and includes a 10-year warranty. Need to protect lawns, walkways, and open areas? Bird Stop is a natural repellent made from grapeseed oil. It irritates birds' sense of smell and taste without causing them harm, prompting them to leave the area. Spray on grass or paint it on rooftops or other problem areas, it's an effective, eco-friendly solution for geese and pest birds. Protect your property health and budget with BirdX's proven, humane bird control solutions, trusted worldwide. To learn more, visit our website, stop by our booth at BOMA, email us at solutions@bird-x.com, or call us at 800-662-5021.